Are you looking for ways to improve your business operations and reduce your costs? Compumagick's AI chatbot for reducing business cost may be the answer. AI chatbots can help businesses reduce their operating costs by providing customers with fast and accurate answers to their inquiries and automating mundane customer service tasks. Conversational AI chatbots can also carry on natural conversations with customers, helping to build better customer relationships. Compumagick's AI chatbot for reducing business cost has been designed specifically to help businesses reduce their operational costs while still providing high-quality customer service. It is easy to use and able to integrate with existing customer service software. We believe that AI chatbots are the future of customer service. Making the switch to Compumagick's AI chatbot for reducing business cost is a smart choice for any business that wants to reduce operating costs and improve customer relationships. Visit our website CompuMagickAssociates.com to find out more about how Compumagick can help your business reduce costs and improve customer service. Thank you for your time.